Hello students, good morning. Today we will study about digestive system in ruminants. So before starting this topic, I want to explain some keywords which we will use during the discussion of this topic. First one is the curd. Curd means partially digested and converted into a soft pulp called the curd. Means when the cattle are eating the grasses or fodder, then they are just little bit they are digesting in the mouth, and then they are pushing back into the their stomach. That is called as the rumen. So that is called as the curd. Means curd is the partially digested food of the cattle. In the simple word we can say curd is the partially digested and soft pulp in the cattle. Next, ruminants. What are the ruminants? Animals like sheep, deer, all the animals which are eating the grasses and having the four legs are called as the ruminants. So there are basically two character of ruminant. One is the having four legs and second is the eating grasses. Next one is the chewing. Chewing, as we all are knowing, chewing means when we are eating something into the mouth, that is called as the chewing. And one more term will come, that is the rumination. Rumination is the process of chewing curd is called rumination. This rumination word is came from the ruminants, because ruminants are chewing the curd, that's why this process called as the rumination. Okay, so now let us start the heading. Digestive system in ruminants. I told about the ruminants. Ruminants are the cattle having. Ruminants are the cattle, means ruminant is another name of cattle. Okay, so next is the digestive system of ruminant. Like the digestive system in human, this digestive system in ruminants also having the two things: alimentary canal and digestive juices. Alimentary canal are the path through which the food is passes in the body of ruminant. Okay, so in the alimentary canal of ruminant comprises mouth, esophagus, rumen, omasum, then abomasum. Have you seen a cow or buffalo chewing the grass or fodder given to them? These animals quickly eat the fodder. Then they relax and chewing what they have eaten. This act of chewing is called as the chewing curd. So we have seen in the villages or the places where the cattle are there. First of all, the cattle are eating their food and they are storing into the rumen. Rumen is the first part of their digestive, their alimentary canal. Then when they are relaxing, then again they are bringing back the food which they have stored in their stomach for further mastication of food, for the further more digestion of the food. Okay, let us start the different organ of the digestive system in the ruminant. As you can see in the diagram, it shows the four chamber: rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. Such a stomach is called as the compound stomach. The food enters the first chamber in the rumen. This chamber is the largest, means rumen is the largest. Then the food from here, the food enters the second chamber. In these two chambers, the food is partially digested and converted into a soft pulp called curd. Then when the animal is relaxing, the soft pulpy food or curd from the second chamber is brought back to the mouth. As earlier I told, after eating the food, when they are getting relaxed, then they are bringing back their food into their mouth and again they are digesting the food. It is now chewed thoroughly. This is called the chewing of the cud. The process of chewing cud is called rumination. During rumination, cud mixes with the saliva and becomes a semi-liquid paste. When the ruminants are doing the rumination, then they are making their food into soft pulp-like substance. Then from the mouth, the food is pushed directly into the third chamber. Listen, when they are directly eating, when they are quickly eating the food, then they are storing the food into the rumen. But after doing rumination, when they are converting into the semi-liquid paste, then into the mouth, they are directly sending their digested food into the third chamber, that is the omasum. From the third chamber, the food enters the fourth chamber, that is the abomasum. It is also called as the true stomach. In the fourth chamber, digestive juices mix with the semi-liquid food. Digestion of food starts now. So basically we discussed here about the four parts and their role. First, when they will eat quickly the food, then they will store into the rumen and reticulum, and after that they will, when they will get relaxed, then they will bring back their stored food into the mouth, and then they will digest it. And after the digestion, when it will digested, when it will become the soft, then again they will send it into the third chamber of their alimentary canal, that is the omasum. And after the omasum, they will send it into the abomasum, where the digestive juices will mix with the food, and digestion of food will start from fourth chamber. Honestly, the digestion in the cattle starts from the fourth chamber, and before this process, all the things was happening to make the food soft, because as we are knowing, cattle are eating the grasses, fodders, so they are not the soft. So before digesting, they are making that particles into the soft. Now a question may arise in your mind: why have the ruminants developed the habit of chewing cud? You have already read that the animals like cow, buffalo, sheep and deer are herbivores. Carnivores eat these herbivores as their food. To avoid being caught by the carnivores, the herbivores quickly eat their food. Then they come to a safe place and chew the food. Understood? So because these herbivores are eaten by the carnivores, so that's why they are quickly eating the food, and when they are getting the safe place, then they are getting relaxed, and then they are starting the chewing. Next is the what happened to the digested food. So simply, as we discussed in the this is basically, this heading is same as the digestive system in the humans. After the digestion, the important materials, protein and other important things, fat, vitamins, will used by the cells, and rest of the things will be means unnecessary things will removed out from the anus. Okay, as in the previous heading we discussed about the digestive system of the humans. In that case, we studied also about absorption process. So I told one heading, what is the site of absorption? So intestine is the site of the small intestine is the site of the complete absorption. Means 99% things are absorbed in the small intestine. A few things are absorbed in the large intestine. So why this absorption is necessary? Because if we want to get the energy, then our nutrients should be absorbed to the body, where it will circulate to the different part of the body through blood. Means this our intestine will absorb the nutrient, and it will send to the blood vessels, where then the blood will circulate all the nutrient to the different cells and different tissues too of our body. Okay, because all the cells are having the need for the energy. So if they will not get the energy, then they cannot work. So that's why this blood is very helpful to circulate the nutrient into the all parts of the body. Okay, and after the and during the respiration process the glucose or protein or fat is oxidized and ATP will produce. ATP means energy of our body. ATP full form is the adenosine triphosphate, that is called as the energy of our body, ATP. Okay, like it is also called as currency of our body. Like if you want to purchase anything in the market, then you have to give the rupee. Okay, then you have to give the money. Likewise, if we want to do the anything, if we want to read, write, laugh, anything if we want to do, then it is required the energy, and this energy our body get in the form of ATP. So that's why ATP is called as the currency of our body. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so here basically we discussed about the digestive system in ruminants. As we discussed here, it is having the mainly the four parts, that is the rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Abomasum is the true stomach because here the digestive juices are mixed with the food. And now we completed our this chapter. From the next class we will start the discussion of this oral questions, keywords, fill in the blank means we will discuss the exercise. Okay, and as always, stay home, stay safe, and watch make the short video note for your review.